how does the book reinterpret Plato's five regular solids in the context of modern metaphysics and quantum physics? In Plato's Timeas, his protagonist Socrates is first introduced to the five regular, three-dimensional polyhedra that have since come to be known most commonly as the Platonic solids. In this brief introduction to the premise, Timaeus explains to Socrates that each of these shapes was believed to represent one of the terrestrial elements. To such an extent, some thought these shapes constituted the very atoms of these elements themselves. So, we have the tetrahedron of four triangles, signifying an atom of fire, the octahedron of eight triangles, an atom of air, the icosahedron of 20 triangles, an atom of water, the cube of 6 squares, an atom of earth, and the dodecahedron of 12 pentagons, an atom of cosmic ether. In the context of the Pythagorean Order of Death, I used these same polyhedra to signify multiple different meanings, among them the terrestrial elements, although in my own use they are rearranged from the attributions explained to Socrates by Timaeus. In the POD material, a green tetrahedron symbolizes cosmic ether. An orange octahedron symbolizes fire. A blue icosahedron symbolizes water. A pink or indigo cube symbolizes earth. And a yellow dodecahedron symbolizes air. The reasons for these various assignations are given in the POD's bund section of the Omnibus document and are too numerous to list here in their totality. Suffice to say, the POD further associates these ancient four terrestrial elements to the modern four elemental forces of quantum mechanics. Such: Earth is strong nuclear fusion, fire is weak nuclear fission, air is electromagnetism, and water is gravity. This simple translation allows great ease in computing new equations about these universal elemental forces, using the same symbols developed long ago by alchemists to signify the terrestrial elements. However, ultimately, comparing the Platonic solids, the terrestrial elements, and the universal elemental forces is only useful as a mnemonic and is not immediately and unquestionably implied by this content or its composition itself. In other words, any one of these traits can rightly be associated to any other. There is no one right system of comparison.